Condensing columns in a Pandas Dataframe. I'm working with the data from the Varus project through VarusB and having some trouble reformatting it for use in other applications. VarusB outputs a dataframe containing parsed event information from the JSON file submitted to Varus. Each row in the dataframe corresponds to an event, with details about how/when it occurred. The problem is that it ends up with thousands of columns with Boolean flags. So each event row might have columns like I'd like to collapse/combine these and use the column values as the actual data. In the example above, that might end us as I'm new to Pandas but have tried a fair amount of things from the documentation with mixed results. Melt seemed promising, but I'm unsure how to get the column names into the actual row level data. Does anyone have pointers?
One way. Set event_id target as index, split and expand columns. To create the hierarchical columns, we'll need this in the dot product. Extract the level 1 values from the hierarchical columns and do the dot product with the data frame. Do some string manipulations and rename the columns. I've added 2 ways to rename the columns to get the desired output. Output. Note. Instead of renaming columns via rename, you can also use level = 0 column values like this. One more alternative is to use mul. Note. In case you've multiple values for actor and agent for one target, you can use pivot_table instead of stack/unstack.
You can flip the code from wide to long, filter for only rows where true is, make some modifications to get your output.
Se você want de ser more, reais e considere subscrevendo.